Wisconsin Income over Feed Cost Database is an innovative web-based program to help you gauge your income over feed cost relative to other participating farms. You can enter information about forages and other ration ingredients, their composition and current prices, and then compare your profitability to farms of a similar size. And since feed cost accounts for a significant portion of total milk production costs, it's well worth your while to evaluate on a regular basis. To gain access to this program, you need to begin by creating a new user account. Registration is very easy and you can be logged into the system literally within 2 minutes. So I'll go ahead and get logged in here and we can begin our demonstration. After logging in, the first step is to enter a farm name and add it to the database. Of course, all identifying information will remain confidential, but the information you enter regarding feedstuffs and prices will be compiled to create benchmarks in the end. If at any time you'd like to review the instructions for use of this program, they're all listed here on the home page. Essentially, the process can be completed by navigating through the pages listed at the top. The idea is to start with the Farms page and logically work your way over to the Analysis page. Our next step is to open the Ingredients page and enter information about the feedstuffs used on our farm in the yellow boxes. As you can see, there are inputs for each feed, the percent dry matter, and the price per ton on an as-fed or dry matter basis. Three subcategories break the inputs down into forages, protein and energy supplements, and vitamins, minerals, and other feed additives. Once you complete each section, it's a good idea to click on the Save button to ensure that your information is not lost. Then, using the base of ingredients we just entered, we can load up to 9 different rations in the database. For each ration, we need to define both the number of cows being fed and whether they're milking or not. Then the remaining input boxes are filled in to reflect the amount of each ingredient used on an as-fed or dry matter basis. If you look where my cursor is right now, this letter P stands for purchase feeds. Be sure to check the appropriate box for any feeds purchased from outside sources. The summary page brings all of your input information together in one place. At the top of the page, there are inputs for production criteria used in calculating your milk revenue. As we scroll through the rest of the page, dry matter intakes and costs for each ration are listed for both homegrown and purchased feeds. The summary table at the bottom lists all relevant information for both milking and dry cow rations. Here we can see our income over feed cost. Finally, we can head over to the Analysis page and compare our values to farms of a similar size. This is done by selecting the proper farm name, herd size, and calendar month. You also have the option of standardizing feedstuffs and milk prices to improve the accuracy of this analysis. To keep things simple for our demonstration, I'll skip this step and finish by clicking the Analyze button. The statistical analysis you see here would be more complete if I were comparing more than one farm, but at least this gives you an idea of the format in which our comparisons are made. The box at the top shows all of our production-related criteria, and the box below provides an in-depth analysis of feed-related parameters. If you want to make a true comparison across farms, it's a good idea to look at either the fat-corrected or energy-corrected milk per pound of dry matter. For more information and to access the Wisconsin Income over Feed Cost database, please visit the UW Dairy Management website.